Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we will be working on an older Hustler Raptor. Using their customer using this mower all the time, and they're mowing. Just the other day before they brought this in, it just stopped moving. Move the handles back and forth, nothing going on. Deck still works and everything. So it's either the transmission belt that runs both hydros or something else, but we'll find the problem and fix it. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's jack it up here. Oh, the belt's off. So that's our problem. That's why I don't move. See the belt there? So we gotta take the PTO clutch off. Well, first we gotta take the belt off for the blades and the 5/8. Bolt we gotta take out. We gotta unhook the PTO. I'll shut that door so there's less glare in here. Okay, we got the deck belt off. We go grab an impact. Look, it's stuck on there, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of oil on the PTO shaft coming out of the engine, and usually that goes down the shaft. I'll let it soak for about 5-10 minutes and we'll try it. I'll just put the bolt back in, stir it a couple times. There, we'll let that sit about 5 or 10 minutes. A little bit of that lube and gently tapping, and it finally broke itself loose. Almost got it. There we go. Let's unhook the PTO clutch. Look at that belt. Well, I should have one of these. Let me go check. Let me go check and put this bad boy back together again. Okay, I got the new belt. I'm gonna put around the hydro pulleys here. This here ain't the right spring. We'll look for the part number, see if I can find the spring that's Close to that. Okay, got the belt on. I put 2 springs on it to keep that belt tight. But the belt goes around the hydros, comes back around the PTO pulley off the motor, then goes across this flat idler pulley right here. Okay, let's put that clutch on. Plug in the power source. Had to move the wires. Okay, now we gotta put the belt on. There we go. Just double check so the wires don't come in contact with the belt. Everything looks good. Just the next thing to do is lower it down and start up. Make sure it works. Okay, let's see what it does. We'll start up, hopefully it runs, go outside. I'm going to spin around a few times each way. Make sure that belt stays on and everything. It's working really good. Anyways, if you have a problem with your zero turn like this, pretty much that transmission belt that runs the hydros, it pretty much goes the same place on pretty much all the zero turns. I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. I know you guys have a good afternoon. Well, early evening now, but